In the future, will we work less? Or will work take over our lives even more? Let's find out. This is a very common PTE essay topic. Today, I'll give you simple ideas, useful vocabulary, and a high-scoring answer. You can only write an essay if you have ideas about that particular question. So, let's discuss a few positive and negative points. First, why people may work fewer hours. Technology and AI can do many tasks. People now prefer work-life balance. And remote jobs save time. But this is not the full story. Competition is increasing, living costs are rising, and people are always connected to work. Use words like automation, work-life balance, and digital connectivity. Or simple words like technology, jobs, and time. Start with a hook. The way people work is changing rapidly in modern society. And paraphrase the topic. Some believe that in the future, people will spend fewer hours at work compared to today. And thesis statement, I partly agree with this idea, which I will be discussing in the upcoming paragraph. You can use this in all agree-disagree essay. In body paragraph 1, explain how technology reduces work by presenting main idea. Firstly, technology is likely to reduce working hours. Explain it. Automation and artificial intelligence can perform repetitive tasks, allowing people to complete work faster and focus on important tasks. An example at the end, for example, many companies now use software to automate tasks, which reduces the need for long working hours. In body paragraph 2, explain why people may still work more. However, some people may still work longer hours. Explain it. Due to rising competition and living costs, individuals may need to work extra to maintain their income. Additionally, digital devices keep people connected to work all the time. And finally, example, for instance, many employees check emails even after office hours, increasing their total working time. Finally, give a balanced conclusion. In conclusion, future working hours may decrease for some but increase for others. Therefore, the trend will depend on individual jobs and economic conditions. That's how you can score 79+ in PTE essay. What do you think, experience or education? Comment below.